how to change the password of your email account in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now click this email account's icon. This is the interface where you can create and manage your email accounts. Here it displays the list of email accounts. Click the plus sign for the corresponding email account whose password you want to change. Then click the Change Password Username option. You can enter the new password manually or use this password generator. Let's click this password generator icon. Then click Save button. Now copy and save the new password. That's it. We have successfully changed the password of our new email account. Thank you for watching.